Hey everyone, this is Jackson Seal for CS50 from Portland, Oregon in the United States with my CS50 final project called Spotify Quiz. This quiz uses the Spotify API to make a few calls to make a quiz for users based on their favorite artist. So when you run the program, you'll be asked to select the artist you want to quiz yourself on, then you select a difficulty. Then you'll be given directions for every difficulty and the difficulty specific to you. On easy difficulty, you'll be given the first letter of every song title, as well as the total character count for each song. So, first of all, we're going to guess. When we get it correct, we'll be told and how many guesses we have left. If we input something we've already guessed, we'll be notified, but we won't lose any guesses. When we guess something wrong, we'll be told good try and lose a guess again. So, by the time we finish the program and use all 5 of our valid guesses, we'll be given a final score based on how many we got right. Now, once you're done, you can hit Y to see how many answers you got correct and all the correct answers in their correct order. Now, the reason these are numbered is when you run the same program on hard, you have to guess not only the song name, but where on the list they lie, based on how popular they are right now. Another thing to notice is because of the way the Spotify API works, even if I search the name incorrectly, it'll bring up the first artist to use that is relevant based to that search. So even though we slightly mistyped the artist name, if we put in the name of the song and the correct index of the list, then it will be correct anyway. Now, when we get a correct song, like this, but put it in the wrong spot on the list, we're told how many guesses we have and the error we made. Like the other parts of the program, when you get it incorrect, you're told good try, and if you guess something you already guessed, even if it's in another index, you still get another guess. So once we finish this program, we can see the correct answers, and again it will show for us. This is Jackson Seal for CS50.